How to fix Instagram account was suspended. So you might be in the position where you are trying to log into your Instagram account, but you land on the interface where it says that your account has been suspended. Well, it might include tons of different reasons. The major reason might be that your account doesn't follow the community guidelines of Instagram. So if this interface pop up on your screen, then you have to click on Disagree with Decision. After that, you have to follow the on-screen process and your account might get recovered. But still there's another way you can do it. Head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Recover Disabled Instagram Account. Wait for a while for it to load. Now, head over to Disabled Instagram Account. Scroll down, and in the section of Was this helpful, tap on No, and then click on Other. Now in this section, you have to enter the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. You can simply write that your account has been suspended without violating any of the community guidelines of Instagram. Please help me recover my account as soon as possible. After that, enter your username or your email address, and then tap on Submit. After that, the Instagram support will analyze your account, and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and your account might get recovered. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Instagram account has been suspended. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.